This young man is truly a genius, using just a plastic tube and 2 plastic bottles. He has created a gas device that can be used for boiling water and cooking. With this clever invention, he has saved a significant amount on gas expenses for his family over the past year. To create this device, he started by taking a plastic lid and drilling a small hole in the middle. This hole was used to insert a thin tube, securely fastened with hot glue on both the top and bottom surfaces. Next, he cut various fruits into small pieces and placed them in one of the plastic bottles. He added a bit of lime powder to promote the fermentation process and sealed the bottle with a prepared lid to ensure airtightness. He wrapped a few layers of insulating tape around the lid's connection point. He also attached a control valve to a flexible tube. The fermentation process takes about a week, during which gas is generated inside the bottle. To complete the setup, he prepared another plastic lid with 2 small holes, similar to the front lid. One end of this lid was used to secure the tube, while the other end served as the gas outlet to prevent accidental combustion due to its flammable nature. He poured about half a bottle of water, and in addition, he crafted a triangular-shaped stand using a metal ring and 3 steel bars to secure the bottle in place. When the control valve is opened, you can see the water inside the bottle starting to bubble. By placing a flame near the gas outlet, it easily ignites, providing a controlled flame. A simple homemade biogas stove has been successfully created. It seems like this young man's inventive idea is quite impressive. What do you think about it?